I am working today on a 2018 Lincoln Continental. I'm going to do the rear brakes, but this car have electric parking brakes, so we need to release the pistons. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my foot on the gas pedal, push in the release emergency brake switch on the side here, press it in, hit the ignition 2 times. There it go. Brake, maintenance mode. Put it in maintenance mode. Park brake, maintenance mode. Stay in that mode, that way we could push the pistons in. So now what I'll do is start get the calipers, the brake calipers out of here. Brake calipers out of here first. Get these off now. Okay, now put a little pressure on the caliper here. Slide it forward. Piston. Go push the piston in with this tool. That's the reason why we had us to put the brake caliper in maintenance mode. At this mode here, you cannot force it. If it's not in maintenance mode, you cannot push this piston back in to put the new brake pads in here. So do that first. We gotta get the bracket off. The tool to get the bracket out of here first to be able to take get the rotor out of here. Get this bracket out of here. bracket in here. Caliper bracket. Good. Should get that really tight. So those brake pads. You got the inner brake pad. And you got the outer brake pad. Then we get the caliper. Set it in here right way. The slider pin, just got to set it in the right way, the slider pin. Set the bottom one in good too. Tight. Here. And now we'll go to the next side and do the right side. We'll do the same thing on this side. We're going to get this pin off of here. Then we'll get the caliper, the brake caliper off. And like I said before, these are electric parking brakes, so you gotta be careful with these. Always remember to put it in maintenance mode. You don't want to damage these calipers, they are very expensive. Now we gotta push the piston in. in. Now we gotta get the bracket out. To be able to remove the rotor. We gotta get the new brake pads. Inner, outer, inner. We'll make sure both sliders are set right. You don't want to strip anything. Make sure everything is okay. That would conclude our rear brakes job, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like, and thank you very much. The vehicle is still in maintenance mode, so what we need to do to get it out of the maintenance mode, park brake maintenance mode, we need to put the foot on the gas this switch right here, pull it up, hit the button, start button 2 times. That's it. Everything went back to normal, so everything is okay with this 2018 Lincoln Continental 3.7. So thank you very much, and don't forget to hit like.